Yes, this is your portion, right? For assessment 4, Hindi portion and blueprint I will give. See children, portion, the first one is au ki matra. Au, aha, then on the top of the Chandrabindu. See in we have two letters, right? Different types of matra. One is Bindu and another one is Chandrabindu. So I will give you this two. See, au, aha, then last one is Chandrabindu. It will use the on the top. You can see Chandrabindu, half moon and dot is there. This Shabd. Shabd means you will, we teach you, right? Au ki matra, ki matra, ha ki matra, Chandrabindu matra. That all will come on the first, okay? Then Giniti. Giniti means counting. Giniti 11 se 11 se 20 tak. 11 to 20, counting. Giniti means what children? Counting. And next, Jungli. Jungli means wild. Jungli or पालतू जानवरों के नाम. जंगली और पालतू जानवरों के नाम. जंगली means wild and paltu means domestic. Name of the wild and domestic animals. Yes, you should learn name of the wild and domestic animals. Okay. Now next one is Naveen Hindi Reader. Yes, this is your book name where you saw all your Hindi book, right? On the first page you see this one, Naveen Hindi Reader. Yes, your book name Naveen. And Hindi Reader 3. Yes, book name. Then the lesson number 1, Meethe Bol. Page number is 3. Sorry, here printing mistake. This is lesson number 2. Part 2, Meethe Bol. Yes, be polite. Talk to others, be polite, right? We will teach you. Page number 3. Then we see go to the, any doubt for the portion children? Now we can go to the blueprint.
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
I don't know this Hindi. I don't know. I don't know.
What you don't know?
Ma'am,
what you don't know? Which matra you don't know?
First one, ma'am.
That au ki matra, right?
Yes.
You didn't practice? I will teach you, right? Au ki matra, ki matra.
Yes.
And I will send the notes also. I will told and spend half an hour for Hindi practice. You didn't do? Why? Okay, no problem, dear. I will teach. Okay, no problem. After the portion, I will teach you that one by one. Okay, you listen carefully.
Okay.
Okay, dear.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Very good. Okay, kindly mute yourself now. Blueprint. See, children, blueprint. चित्र देखकर नाम लिखिए. चित्र means picture. देखकर means to see. See the picture and write the name. See the picture and write the name. Yes, you can identify the picture and write the name. Here by for example, Kamal, lotus picture is there and you can write in the Kamal in Hindi. Don't write in English, okay? Hindi में लिखना है Kamal, Kamala, Kamal, like that. You can see the picture, then you can write in the dash. Okay? This is 8 marks. Okay, now next one is Khali Stan Bariye. Khali means blank. Stan means that place. And Bariye means to fill. Okay? Khali Stan Bariye. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We learned in Meethe Bol that fill in the blanks, right children? For example, एक दिन डैश का मेला लगा. Yes, what मेला लगा? चिड़ियों का मेला लगा. The dash you should write. I will give on the top the options also. You take one by one. I will send evening I will send the worksheet children. That sample worksheet you all should do and send in your Google Classroom. Okay. On the top the options will be there. You can take one by one and fill the dashes. Khali stan bariye, fill in the blanks. This is how much the marks is 5. The number of marks is 5. And next one, shabdat. Shabdat means word meaning. The English, the Hindi meaning is Hindi word is given him. So you should write the English meaning. For example, I am giving tota. So you should write in English parrot. What is the meaning of that tota? Then I will give the nagar. Nagar in our story we learn, right? Nagar. Nagar means what? Yes, if you know the answer, kindly text in your chat box. What is the meaning of nagar? Anyone? Yes, nagar means
Village.
yeah. No, that is gaon. Gaon is village. This is project for you children. Yes, nagar. 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 Ek nagar mein in meete bol we learn, right? The first line.
Ma'am, town city, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Town या city we call it as nagar. So I'm giving for example nagar, that then you can write the meaning in English. This is word meaning. Shabdat. You should write town, otherwise you write in city also. Both are correct. Okay. Now next. Vilom shabd likhiye. Vilom shabd means opposite words. Vilom shabd likhiye. That means for example I'm giving apni. So you should write the opposite words. Apni, ours, and you should write others, parai. Parai. For example, one more example, I given achi, good. So you should write the opposite words. Buri. Don't write in English, write in Hindi. Buri. Buri. So this is all the Vilom Shabd, for example, yes? Opposite words. Vilom Shabd means opposite words. Then next one is last one. See children, sahi ya galat likhiye. Sahi ya galat likhiye. Sahi ya galat likhiye means true and false. If you are saying the answer is correct, then you put tick, true. Okay. Then the answer is correct means you put wrong, cross mark you should put. Okay children. For example, सेठ को इस तोते की बोली बहुत बुरी लगी. That means this is correct or wrong, true or false. What you should put, tick or cross. One more time I am repeating children. Unmute and say, सेठ को इस तोते की बोली बहुत बुरी लगी.
False.
Yes, very good. You put cross, right? Very good. False. Excellent dear. Okay children, now this is the marks of this true and false is 3 marks, and opposite words 2 marks, and shabdat, that word meaning, English meaning 7 marks. Yes, any doubt in this portion? Any blueprint, any portions doubt? You unmute and ask.
Meanings will come from lesson or from Shabda, ma'am?
Both ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay ma'am. Any others? Any doubt children? Unmute and talk because I'm sharing the screen, right? So I can't see the chat box. I hope no doubts. Okay children, shall we go to the portion? In our first portion, what is this? Au ki matra, one standing line and 2 balloons on the top. Yes? Shall we move? Okay. First क्या पढ़ेंगे आज हम लोग? Au ki matra, only one standing line. On the top, you have to put 2 balloons. Children, let's see. First example, that matra jodo and matra vichhed you already know, right children? Shall we move to the example for this word? Au ki matra. If you have any doubt for how to pronounce this word, any spelling, any letters you have doubt, means unmute and ask. Okay children? See, au ki matra. आउ की मात्रा के शब्द. See what is the symbol for the आउ की मात्रा? Only one standing line on the top, two balloons. Now first matra jodo, then matra vichhed, and next one is see the example. Look at the example children. First one देखिए, आउ. Kindly repeat after me. Then you have any doubt, unmute and ask. आउ, ज, ज में आ की मात्रा ज, र, औजार. औजार बनने से क्या है? टूल्स. Say look at the picture, tools. आउ, ज, र, औजार, औजार, औजार. And next example. Yes, क्रो. क्रो को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? क में आउ की मात्रा कौ. क में आउ की मात्रा कौ. आ, कौआ. When you are saying this a, open your mouth widely. A. Yes, कौआ, कौआ, कौआ. कौआ means crow. See कौआ कौन सा रंग है? काला रंग, black color, काला रंग. नेक्स्ट वन देखिए, ये क्या है? स्मॉल प्लांट, राइट? प्लांट को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? प में आउ की मात्रा पौ. धा में आ की मात्रा धा, पौधा. प में आउ की मात्रा पौ. धा में आ की मात्रा धा, पौधा, पौधा, पौधा. यस, नेक्स्ट देखिए क्या है? Yes, this one, this climate you all allowed, right children? क्या है? पकौड़े. First letter is P, K, can join. प क में आउ की मात्रा कौ. द में on the top you can see only one balloon. ए की मात्रा, ड में ए की मात्रा डे. प कौ डे, पकौड़े, pakaude. The ow sound should come, children. Listen carefully, okay? And don't mistake the letters. First, see the letter, identify the letter and try daily practice, children. Then it will be easy for you. Pa-kau-de, pakaude, pakaude. And next one क्या है? 14. 14 को क्या बोलेंगे? च में आउ की मात्रा चौ. द हा, चौदह. च में आउ की मात्रा चौ. द हा, चौदह, चौदह. यस, voice is breaking dear. What? Repeat again. चौदह. In pure Hindi, we call it as the ha sound should come, children. Chaudaha, chaudaha, chaudaha. Okay? Okay, any doubt for this आउ की मात्रा, children? आउ की मात्रा, आफ्टर आउ की मात्रा के बाद कौन सा मात्रा आएगा? जल्दी बताइए. यस, आफ्टर आउ की मात्रा के बाद कौन सा मात्रा है? Yes, am ki matra. Very good, dear. I'm getting answer. Super. Yes, children, very good. Am ki matra. Let's see the am ki matra. Kindly mute yourself, dear. Yes, am की मात्रा you can see on the top only one dot. Dot को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? बिंदु. एक बिंदु, only one बिंदु, right? See the first one, मात्रा जोड़ो and मात्रा विच्छेद. Then after that we go to see the example for am की मात्रा. See children, first letter am. ज में कौन सा मात्रा है? बड़ी की मात्रा. See a curve start from left to right side. So how to pronounce that matra? E, बड़ी की मात्रा. ज में बड़ी की मात्रा ची. G. Hush, don't say the shortly. The body is given. So you have to stress the letter. G. And last letter is R. Ang, G, R. Anjeer. Anjeer. Yes, Anjeer. Fick को क्या बोलेंगे? Anjeer. And next one, this all my kids are do, right children? Yes, in our world, wild animal we learn. Yes, very good. On the top, the dot is given, right? That ki matra, you should say in. The in sound should come, okay? In, the, ra. Bandar. Bandar. In, the, ra. Bandar. Bandar बोलने से क्या है? Monkey. Bandar. Bandar. And next one, our national words, feather. Yes, which bird feathers is feather is this? Yes, पंख. कौन सा bird का पंख है ये? Yes, which bird's पंख is this?
Peacock, ma'am.
Peacock feather. More का पंख. Very good children. Mute yourself. Excellent children. Good job.
Peacock, ma'am.
Very good Kanna. Kindly mute yourself. Yes, ये किसका पंख है? मोर का पंख. So पंख. पंख means feather. P in ख. पंख. पंख.